Hi, my name is Yaseen Amlay and I am from Amlay's Bodyworks. We are a small panel shop in the Retreat area. We've been in business for a very long time. We've just moved into a new panel shop in the Retreat area. We have been dealing with Motorlease for about probably the past 5 or 6 years. Our relationship started off with us reconning their used vehicles for Constantiaberg Autos. And it was just a matter of time before I had to contact Rowan to do a deal for me on a car that I wanted. About 2 years ago, I was in the market for a car and I was actually looking at the E90 M3. Then I actually saw one of my dream cars come up for sale, which was a 2016 BMW M5 Pure Metal Edition. Luckily enough, Rowan was able to make the deal happen for me. And that's where my journey with Motorlease started. Growing up, I've always been involved with cars. I come from a family of panel beaters, mechanics, spray painters, rally drivers, racing drivers. But I've always had a love for BMW from a very young age. Especially the E36 M3, which was one of my dream cars that I also own. And the only other one that really caught my eye was a M5 Pure Metal Edition. And Motorlease was able to make that happen for me. Dealing with Motorlease is the most seamless thing you can do when you want to buy a car. From the minute I called Rowan telling him I'm looking for a car, he basically handled everything. I didn't have to pick up the phone to call the bank or even to call the seller of the car. Rowan handled everything from the beginning until the delivery. Growing up, I was around a lot of racing cars and my family was heavily involved in racing, so racing for me is something that's in my blood and something that we will always be involved in. In last year, October, we took part in the first Speed Classic hill climb that was held in Cape Town. And I took part in my E36 M3 and we managed to pull off a win in the class that we participated in. For the past 12 or 13 years, I've been working as a panel beater and a spray painter from home. At the beginning of 2026, I ventured into opening up a workshop. The workshop is in Retreat at number 97 Retreat Road, Unit 2. Something that Motorlease offers, which I find is very helpful for the Muslim community, is Islamic finance. It's something I didn't know about, and it's something that Rowan put past me. And that is basically a Sharia compliant finance solution for if you want to buy a car, which doesn't involve any interest. That's something that not a lot of people knows about, and it's definitely something that the Muslim market might be looking for.
Twin turbo, breathing under the hood. S63, making sure it's understood. Pure metal silver, a shine so cold. Limited run for the brave and the bold. 2016 model, peak of the line. Watch the asphalt vanish, watch the world align. Hydraulic steering, feel the road in my hands. King of the street, king of these lands. Hydraulic steering, feel the road in my hands. King of the street, king of these lands. Pure metal M5, moving like a ghost. Motor horses, the torque is a beast. Feeding the hunger, never a feast. Motorlease made it easy, no struggle, no wait. Jumped in the cabin, sealed up my fate. Carbon ceramics, stopping on a dime. Saving my energy, saving my time. Pure metal shine, reflecting the rain. Driving this monster, numbing the pain.